Good morning guys, mayong aga. Today is day 2 here in Manila, Philippines. And ngayon, medyo marami na yung nakapag-pick up ng kanilang pasabay orders. And meron kaming isang kikitain ngayon dun sa baba. Actually, second pasabay order na siya na i-dispatch namin today. Nandun siya sa lobby. Yeah. Dito si Faye, Tita Arlene.
Yeah, and then this one is for your car. Or you have to put it that way. And then, this is a product of my province, Bulacan. Just simple, yeah, chocolate from Bulacan.
What will you
It's a
say?
local chocolate baby.
What will you say? Thank you.
Oh, I love you, baby.
Aww. Thank you, Tita. Okay. Let's have coffee.
Basic one, huh?
No, this is pan de coco. Pandesal.
Pandesal you're talking.
Yeah, ito. Yeah, fresh. Merong bago, kuya. Yes. Pandesal. Pandesal? Yeah, we'll try pandesal. Ate, ano yung sa inyo, te? Gusto mag-coffee kami with ate and Faye. Ate Arlene. Coffee. Pandesal. Ano? I didn't. You can come here. Mishi, here inside kami. Mag-coffee kami. Slowly. Ano yung Faye gusto mo, Faye? Yeah, this is Mimi's favorite Spanish bread.
I'll have one. Which coffee will have?
Anong available nyo na coffee? Eto. Coffee time. Okay, here is the, I think this is the pandesal. You try the pandesal. First time na Abe to have pandesal and coffee
Pandesal.
in the Philippines. Ay, it's
So
good.
freshly baked.
Freshly baked, yeah.
Yeah.
So hot also and freshly baked.
And then you know how to do it? Dip the
coffee.
dip the pandesal to the coffee.
Can
Try
you
mo nga,
get some
Jay.
level up?
I'll
I'll
give
give you. Open this one.
Ito.
Yay! Yeah, that's
Sana ऐसे.
it. That's the way it is.
It's
Like
hot
this.
for me.
You have to eat the pandesal.
Wait, I'll give you.
The Filipino way. The pandesal
Filipino way
to
to
the
eat
coffee.
coffee.
First time
Is
of
it hot?
Abby. And then,
Thank
yes, and then,
Ito.
Paano niyo po nalaman na free yung ano ko?
Faye, yung sa ano mo, sa is IG.
Oo nga pala.
Actually, yung number na message mo, number yun ni Sam. Kasi wala akong mobile number dito.
Sama si Sam.
Tita Sam.
Okay,
Ay, yung
okay.
friend ko din na nakapag-asawa ng
Good.
Indian.
Diyan.
later.
We're done with coffee. Balik kami ulit dito sa lobby, guys. Kasi may isa na naman kaming imi-meet na may pinadala din sila and subscriber din namin.
Finishes, Miss Ka. You come to Bulacan and then we will go to the beach.
Yeah. Miss Leslie. Hello po! Ngayon ko lang na-receive yung yung message ba. Nasa labas kami. Hello po! Pasensya na, natagalan kami. Hello, tita! Hello po! Pasensya na tagalan. Ngayon ko lang nabasa. Andun kami kina ate kasi. Mga nagpasabay din sa amin. Oo. Nagre-record. Ayan sila ni tita. Hi! Saan kayo galing, tita?
Laguna po siya.
Ay, saan pa po?
Wait.
Mas malayo. Saan pala pa? Ay,
Galing kina tita. Ano to siya?
Ano, buko pa eh.
Buko pie. Thank you so much.
From San Pablo.
Laguna. Guys, si Ate Arlene, aalis na. Medyo matagal din yung pag-stay niya. Kanina umaga.
the time to you.
Thank you so much.
One of my bottle, please.
Maraming salamat.
Family.
Mimi, tita is leaving. Say bye. Bye, tita. Maraming salamat eh. Maraming salamat. So, thank you so much pala sa lahat ng mga pumunta dito para kunin yung kanilang mga pasabay orders. Actually, it's not necessary, but they brought gifts for Mishka and for us. So, thank you so much, Tita Arlene. Ito yung bigay niya kay Mishka. May kasama itong tsokolate and then yung labubo. And para sa car daw. You can put this in your bag. Your labubo keychain. Do you know how to put it? Labubo. Mishka, Shubh Prabhat. I love you. Hugs, Tita Arlene. Thank you so much po. Yeah, in Hindi. Thank you so much, Ate Arlene. And ito naman from Ate Leslie. What's that?
A cat.
And what's the letter? Look at the letter.
This
M for?
Mishka.
Yes. M for Mishka. And then here's another one.
What is this?
Open it.
What is this? A pan.
Pajamas.
Pajamas.
And?
Decantation, baby unicorn.
Sabi niya, medyo malaki na daw yung in-order niya. Sabi ko, okay naman para matagal pa magagamit. So, this is actually for 6 to 7 years old. Ano ba? Yeah. Good. Thank you so much, Tita Leslie. This one is for Mommy. Nice. Here. Thank you. And ito pala, yung kay Ate Arlene kanina na binigay kay Mishka, ano dito eh, chocolate mini bars with peanut bits and with rice crisp. So, ayan. And then, ito galing kina Ate Leslie, buko pie. Tama ba, buko pie? Excited akong kainin. And hindi pa ito ni Abhi na try, so we'll let him try the buko pie. Thank you so much ulit mga ate and tita sa inyong mga regalo kahit hindi naman talaga ninyo kailangan kaming bilhan. It's a bit big for you but you can wait for some time. Excited siya masyado, nagpalit na siya eh. Thank you, Tita Leslie.
Thank you, Tita Leslie.
And let's try this buko pie. Look at the coconut inside. This is coconut jelly. Yeah.
So good.
Yum. Nakakamiss din ito eh.
Tender coconut.
Gusto niya lang yung coconut. She doesn't like the pastry. So good.
So yummy, so sweet.
Very excited to swim. Ang dami ditong nagbo-book for staycation kasi meron silang marami silang option para sa pool. Merong for kids. Dami nilang swimming pools. So mag-e-enjoy yung mga kids and adults. We'll enjoy the pool first before kami pumunta ng MOA. Nung umaga kasi na-busy kami sa mga pasabay na pick up. So now is our time na makapag-banding kaming pamilya. Enjoy natin yung ating accommodation dito. Ito talaga yung rason na binook ni Abhi itong accommodation para makapag-swimming kami, ma-enjoy ni Mishka yung pool. Before kami pupunta sa pool, meron pang kukuha ng isa pang pick-up for our pasabay. So, i-meet muna natin sila before tayo dumiretso sa pool. Ready na si Mishka eh. Okay? Ready na yan for swimming. And yung pool, andyan lang guys sa harap. Hello po!
You're much beautiful in person.
Hi! How are you?
How was your stay
Tita
here?
Net. Hi, Tita.
Grabe. The first time I saw her when you gave birth
Aww.
in the hospital.
And now?
It's for you. That's a buko five
Thank
from
you,
Laguna.
tita. From Laguna ka pa, tita?
No, hindi. Sa Rizal. Kaya lang yung husband ko is nagpunta ng Laguna kahapon. Yung the original buko pie. Ayun, nakuha niya. Kaya sabi ko, patikmin kita ng the original buko pie. Hello, Auntie. You are much, much more handsome in person. And also, Jayan.
Thank you,
Grabe, the last time they come home, you came home, di ba? At the airport, we were there, but sleeping.
And I'm
You
alone.
can't go out because hindi naka-duty yung anak ko sa Cebu Pacific.
You remember I was
you
meeting,
told that,
supposed to
yeah.
meet
Yes,
someone.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Hindi siya naka-duty, so wala siyang access papunta sa loob. Hindi siya makapasok. So, inutusan niya yung crew niya na magdala ng, to meet you inside.
Mishka was small. I'm carrying a
Yeah, sabi mo nga,
hand carry.
dami
So,
mo
ang
nga.
hirap.
This is for you.
Ay, thank you, tita.
Pasensya na
Nag-effort
sa-
ka pa talaga.
No, hindi. Ito next
Ito yung
Friday. Ito yung ano ko.
We will
Thank you.
leave 4 April 4
third midnight,
ng
you can
umaga.
Oh, that's Good Friday.
Yeah, Good Friday.
Cebu Pacific also?
Yeah. Buti na lang
No,
hindi
Philippine PAL.
Philippine Airlines.
Ang daming nag-cancel na Cebu Pacific flights, tita.
Most of the videos are AI.
Ah,
So it's very...
overhyped also.
Yes.
That's
You
why
have
he
this
was
Philippines thing,
coming.
this oil thing. In India, my friends are calling me, bhai, in
Are you
Philippines
okay
they have
then?
declared
Yeah, are you
emergency.
they
I
are
said,
scared
don't
for
worry, I
me.
don't have to drink fuel. If it is a bit
Pero
costly,
grabe, the prices of fuel
diesel
here
is really high.
in front.
Mommy.
You're so pretty.
Thank you.
She wants to go to pool. Shall we go
Okay.
sit there?
You will go swimming today?
Yes, answer. Yes.
Ang payat mo pala, Ann, sa personal.
Talaga.
Oo.
She said I'm skinny. But
Yeah.
he's telling me that no, you are fat. Before you are more thinner than this.
She's skinny compared
No,
to
but
your
now few months you
videos.
have really lost. I think you have lost some. Maybe she is making space that she can eat more in
He
Philippines.
told me that okay, even if you gain 5 kilos in the Philippines, it's okay. I know you would be missing your
Bagay
food.
siguro, di ba? It would be more, if you gain a little weight. Pero that's okay already. Grabe, pag napapanood ko yung videos nyo with his family, grabe, I'm so, amazed with the way your family is treating a Filipina. Di ba?
And they're not the strict kind of like
Oo, kasi
in-laws.
nasabi ako, you can wear anything, you can eat anything.
Because of him, if he is not allowing me to eat, it will not be possible
It will not
for
be
me.
possible, yes. Good thing.
Now, Mishka got her tag for the pool. Actually, may charge pala guys, yung kanilang swimming pool. If you're a guest, you have to pay 150 per person. So, you can use the pool. Kaya merong tag kasi whole day, pwede ka namang mag-swimming. Pero yun, 150 nga lang. Since holiday tomorrow, they are charging 300 pesos per person. So, double yung rate bukas. Akala namin, libre lang. May bayad pala yung pool. So, anyway, si Mishka na lang muna yung mag-swimming kasi after nito pupunta kami ng Moab para hindi kami matagalan dito. Is it nice here? You can try another pool. This one, baby. Baby, you try this pool. This is just sliding. Yes, of course. Slowly, no running. Go. It's too cold. Okay, go there. Nice. Go swim. Good job, Mimi. Good job. Okay, okay. Good job, princess. Always close your mouth and close your eyes, okay? Breathe first. Inhale, exhale. Good job. Good job, my love. Can I fix your hair so that it will not go in your eyes?
I can go inside in the water if I will go up to
Now she made a friend. Fast, fast, fast! Good job. Okay, go. Wait, Mimi, wait. I will say ready, set, go. Oh, no. Papunta kaming MOA. We're supposed to meet my friends doon sa MOA. I'm not sure if andun pa sila kasi late na kami natapos ni Mishka mag-swimming. And then after nun, bibili kami ng mga kailangan namin sa hypermarket. Like sabon panglaba, ganyan. Kasi kailangan namin mag-washing ng mga maduduming damit namin yesterday. And then mag-dinner na lang kami sa labas. Or yung plano nga namin is bibili kami ng bigas. And then magluluto kami dito sa bahay. Dito sa condo. So, we'll try na makabili kami ng mga pagkain doon sa hypermarket para kahit dito na lang sa condo, makaluto kami, ganyan, bago umalis, gumala. Ganyan.
Tita?
Ha?
Tita?
Tita is there also. We'll see if she's there, then we'll go. See, this is the mall. So, we're walking to SM Mall of Asia. There is it. Big Globe. Yes. Weather is good.
It's not so hot.
Yeah, it's not so hot. It's windy. Yeah, noontime it's hot, but evening time it's not hot. There. Disney store. Misha here, Minnie Mouse. So pretty naman dito. We are back, guys. Hindi naman kami ganun katagal dun sa sa MOA. Nag-ikot-ikot lang kami konti. Punta sana kaming hypermarket para bumili ng kailangan namin like rice, sabon. But then, medyo pagod na din kami para pumila ng mahaba dun sa hypermarket. Sabi namin, bukas na lang dito sa may baba. Ito yung Uncle John's. But anyway, we had our dinner sa labas. And guess where we had our dinner? Tara! Mang inasal! Tapos hindi namin naubos. So, take away. Kasi 3 yung in-order ko. Kasi kahapon, kumain ni si Mishka, meron din siyang order para sa kanya. So, sabi ko, only rice sa akin. Sa kanya, meron din yung single na rice lang. And kay Abby, single rice. Tapos, yung sa akin, guys, nag-only rice ako kasi na-miss ko yung mang inasal. Tapos, syempre, nasa utak ko dati na kayang-kaya ko dati kumain ng 2 to 3 na rice, yung only rice. Tapos ngayon, 2 scoop pa lang ng rice. Yung unang rice and then additional na isa. Hindi ko na siya maubos. Hirap na akong ubusin yung 2 cups ng rice. So, yung kalahati ng aking chicken, andito pa rin. So, binaon ko siya. Humingi ako ng plastic. Tapos yung kay Mishka na isa, hindi din naubos. Meron kaming take away para bukas. Sabi ni Abby sa susunod, wag ka nang mag-only rice. Single rice na lang. Kasi hindi ko na kayang kumain ng maraming rice pala. And kagagaling ko lang din sa labas, guys. Kasi may minute akong isa, si Princess. Tapos, ang mga nagpasabay sa amin ng mga Indian products, meron din silang mga dalang regalo sa amin. Though, yung sabi ko, hindi naman nila kailangan magdala ng regalo kasi yung pasabay namin is para sa kung sino yung gustong magpasabay ng mga Indian products ba mula sa India. Hindi nila kailangan mag-exchange gift sa akin. So, ito, yung si Princess, meron man siyang dala sa akin, guys, gabi na to. Dumating, alas 10 na. Tapos yung kanina, ito din, sa kay tita. Tapos may kasama yan eh. Ngayon ko lang bubuksan. Ay, yung coconut pie din pala.
और दोस्तों हम लोग कुछ लाए हैं
Tingnan niyo, guys.
मेरा मम्मा कुछ
Eto,
लाए हैं
meron ding coconut pie. Tapos yung kanina, meron din kami isang full
thank you,
kanina
Tita,
na
for this.
coconut pie.
Coconut pie.
Marami pa yung natira dito eh. 2 slices pa lang yung naubos namin. Anyway, baka yung kaibigan ko pupunta dito. So, I can share with her. And then, ito, additional. From Tita Net. Ooh. This one I think it is yours. It has a letter. Wait, let me read it. A little stuff from Thailand for Mish. This one is, we can't just read, pero parang wafer siya. And then, Hoki crushed nuts. Tama ba? And some candies. For Abhi. And for me.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Tita Net. Actually, hindi mo naman kailangan magbigay ng regalo. Kayong lahat na na pumunta dito kahapon. To those who came yesterday and today.
Yeah. And frankly saying, whatever we get, we just consider it as a blessing. Actually, none of this is required. All what matters is your love,
And
your
support.
and the way you guys meet. And I was very happy. Everyone, when I see, when we
Comments.
see a smile, not even comment, smile, and we think that we are the reason of that. It really means a lot, and I think that is the biggest
Yeah.
compliment. We take it as what we are doing.
No, as a content creators, and then when our supporters will tell us that I have seen you were not yet married, you got married, you got pregnant, you know, the feeling of connection is there, Han.
Yeah.
That they have seen you, yung every phase of your life, that means so much. Hindi nyo po kailangan magbigay ng regalo. Thank you so much. We really appreciate yung mga effort na regalo ni Tita Net kanina. Ang ganda ng kanyang case. This is a rosary. I can put this in our car.
Yeah.
Dalhin natin to sa India. Na-bless na daw ito. And this is, I think, handmade. Sabi niya, ginawa ng mga monk. Ayan. So, thank you so much, Tita Net, sa iyong regalo. And tonight, from Princess, thank you so much. Princess Emeralde. Thank you so much. She got us leche
Could have
flan.
told me, I would have come and made them.
No, because when I came down, Mishka was already complaining that she's sleepy. So I was thinking that Afi will make her sleep. Banana chips. We are getting banana chips from South India pa. In North India, we don't have banana chips. Thank you so much. And then... Pancit Canton! Thank you so much, Princess. Hindi mo naman kailangan kaming dalhan, pero thank you. Sa effort pa lang na ma-meet kami. We appreciate it so much. How much more na dinadalhan nyo kami ng regalo. It's not required for you to send us gifts. We really appreciate yung mga pinadala nyo. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone for meeting us. It was really fun
Yes.
talking to you all. It really feels good.
So thank you so much. So see you again tomorrow, guys. Tonight we're going to close our second day here in the Philippines, here in Manila. And soon we'll be going home to Bacolod. But for now, we'll enjoy our Manila stay. So thank you so much. And if you enjoy our video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And click the bell on the like.
Yes, and follow us on our Facebook and Instagram page, JB's Life in India. Good night and see you in our next vlog.
Tito. In that vlog, we can introduce you.
Okay. Good night.
Bye-bye.